Hey, what's up guys? It's Spectrum back here with a brand new unboxing video, and today got a package from BBTS. Now it's funny because FedEx shipped this to me, and I've seen the horror stories to where everyone else has a crushed package from FedEx, and I'm sitting over here like, yo, my stuff looks perfecto. But alright, let's go ahead and get this baby open. It ain't no event exclusive or nothing. You're about to see who it is as soon as I, get this tape off and everything. But I mean, it's still a pretty cool item, I would say. You know what I mean? Definitely something worth making a video about. All right, let's get opening this up. All right, yeah. Okay, pop that open. Okay, there we go. Easy as that. Let's put this away. And I will also unbox the actual figure in this video as well. Oh man, alright, all I see is the back of the package for right now, but alright. Woo! So this thing actually arrived within a week. Oh man, dude, it looks so much better in person. KaioKen! Look at that, man. Alright, yeah, that's beautiful. Oh man, look at that head sculpt, dude. That looks so good. Dude, I might get a second one and then, paint that black or something for a pseudo Super Saiyan Goku. That looks really, really good. Alright, let's flip the camera around. Alright, here we go. Okay, let's go ahead and get this baby open. Excuse anything in the background. This is a dining room table. But, yeah, no, let's go ahead and we always start. I believe this would be the right side of the package where I open my figures from. So let's go ahead and gently slit. Come on. Uh-oh. Okay. Alright, so maybe from right here we can do it. I'm cutting into the packaging. I think. Yeah, that's not good. Wow, toughest unboxing ever? Can anyone, there we go. So, okay, doesn't look like I scratched it up too bad, but, oh well. I mean, it's not really a rare figure or anything, and it just came out, so I'm not really too worried about it. But, yeah, let's go ahead and get this tab open here. Come on. Please don't make me crinkle you, because I don't like crinkling the tabs either. Most of my packages are in pretty pristine condition. Alright, there we go. Let's get this baby open. Alright, so there he is in his, plastic tray. Okay, so I know, that it's accurate to the anime, but like his skin looks like, how, you hold one of your fingers and then all the blood. That's what that looks like to me. Okay, alright, let's pop this off. Oh, he's breathing! He's alive! Alright. Wow, oh man. Okay. Where's the neck? Okay, so it's like side to side. That's weird, because any time I've opened a new figure, it's always been back to front, I'm pretty sure. So let's adjust that. Wow, that's a big hole in there. That's what she said. Okay, I mean, yeah. So it feels like a new figure, fresh from the factory. Feels a little stiff, I think. But, that's okay. Because in time, through a little bit of play and pose and stuff. Wow, there's a lot of plastic in here. How many layers did they put? There we go. Jesus Christ. Okay, you got around his boots as well. His other boot. Even his shoulder pads. Wow, that's a little much, I would say. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's to prevent paint rub within the package and stuff like that. Because there's only paint here, here, and on the face, as far as I know. And on the boots, of course, as well. Even in the knees, Jesus, man. What the heck? Are these is that tape? It's like little pieces of tape between the knee pads. That's so strange. I wonder if people have complained about, paint rub within the packaging and stuff like that. And Tamashi's like, all right, we got you. And then that's what happened. But, yeah, he feels pretty okay. I'm not doing the full review of him right now. Just first impressions and everything. I like him. and I think it was worth the $41 shipped. I'm gonna be honest. Definitely a good price for, you know, a Goku that I don't have yet. All right. Yeah, that's about it for this unboxing. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. I don't know. Peace.